You may remember from our outdoor kitchen build these bar stools that we got. After a couple seasons out in the weather, they're not looking so hot. There's some rust developing and the paint is starting to get a little powdery, oxidizing. So, but the big thing is the seats have just completely disintegrated. So we're gonna fix these up. So one thing about these seats I've noticed is, let's see, they have like a receiver. I'm sure there's a real woodworking term for these things that you screw into. So I have to figure out, A, am I gonna keep the same hardware and try and reclaim these, dig them out somehow, use these, buy new ones of these, or C, abandon this entirely and just screw them in. We'll figure it out later. For the seat replacements, I am hoping that my wood hoarding ways are going to pay off, because I have these end cuts from when we moved the gate. So hopefully there's enough lumber here. We'll see. This is a close call. I was thinking 2 planks per seat, but it's going to take 3 planks per seat. And yeah, no room for screw-ups. Oh, this is going to be fun. So I think the thing to do is to go ahead and join these into single boards, and my plan is to do half lap joins between them and glue them together. And then once I have my 2 wide planks, jigsaw out the shapes. I did try and arrange these so that any knots are on the outside edges, and also that bark over there, so maybe it'll get trimmed off. But there are some knots and stuff in here that are just going to be part of it, which is why these are the end cuts from the fence. We tried to trim off the ugly bits. All right, let's get to it. After many tests, I think we finally have it calibrated about right. I think this was the last test. Looks pretty center. Kind of overcutting right there, but that's fine. So I'm gonna try it with the real ones. Oh God. Pretty good. A little bit, yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, hon.
What are you doing?
I am staining the seats.
Oh, how'd they turn out?
Good, I think. It was
Great.
much more difficult than I thought, but you know, this is how we learn.
It always is.
Yep.
I worry about when someone sits on this.
It's gonna, well, see how much frame it's sitting on top of? I think it'll be plenty supported. I was worried about it too, but check it out. It's got all this support around the edge.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be fine. Plus the way I made this, it's more supported than you think.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll be fine.